Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, but Bitcoin is moving down and it has again broken down the support of EMA 21, and we will also take a look at this big down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin formed this falling wedge pattern. We had a bounce here, we had a bounce here, here and here as well, and you can see we got rejected, and the movement was getting squeezed and more squeezed, and here we broke out the resistance, and after this breakout we had a nice pump but again moved down, and right now you can see that the candlesticks are moved below than this support of red line, that is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart. And previously this level, this EMA 21, has been breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line, and you can see here for a while we broke it out, but again we moved down, again it turned into a resistance, and here we again try to break it out. Now it depends where this daily candlestick will be closed. For example, if this candlestick will be moved above this daily EMA 21, then there is a probability that it can again break as a support, and the price line can start another move to the upside. However, we can see that we also have the bearish divergence. Two bearish divergences appeared on this chart. The previous bearish divergence was here when this price line formed higher than previous high. This is the trend line I have placed to show you this bearish divergence, and the oscillator, the stochastic, was forming lower high than previous high. So there was a bearish divergence, and the price line followed this bearish divergence and moved down. And again after this breakout you can see that oscillator was forming. This time oscillator was forming higher than previous high, but the price line was not able to do so, and it was not able to form another higher than previous high. So there was a hidden bearish divergence this time, and the price line again followed this signal and moved down and broke down the support of this EMA 21 as well. However, we have broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and if we take a look at the target, the expected target was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $25,000, and right now you can see after this breakout the price line has so far rallied up to $22,780. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here Bitcoin has formed a very long-term down channel. You can see where we got rejected here, we had a fake out, we got rejected, and again we are getting rejected by this resistance. And here we have also found enough trend line support as well, that is not letting the price line to move more down from here. After this rejection you can see that the price line bounced very well and moved to the resistance, and on the daily time frame chart during this move we have also broken out this falling wedge pattern as well. And now you can see that the movement is getting squeezed between this support and resistance, and there is also a formation of a symmetrical triangle as well. Like we got rejected, bounce here, we got another bounce here, another bounce here, and we got rejected here, rejected here, and the movement is getting more and more squeezed. Now for example, if we break down the support of this triangle, then the move to the downside can be here at the support of the channel that will be very low. That will be approximately at $13,800, and in case of breakout that I'm expecting, then it can even break out this next key resistance. That is a very strong resistance at $28,600, and the target will be here. That will be $32,300. And you can see this resistance, $28,600 that I was talking about, has been breaking as a very strong support here, support here, and support here. Back in January 2021. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance, there can be a really very big pump. However, the target for this bigger down channel, if we will break out this resistance and also this resistance of $28,600 as well, will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $66,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.